Hello, one and all. Riker Eve here. Another lockpicking video. However, this one's a little bit different. This is a Brady logout tagout lock. This safety lock has been giving me some issues. So, here's the key. As you can see, there is some aggressive bidding at the very beginning. And it's been giving me grief. I have not been able to pick this lock. Now, I got this at a steal on Amazon because there was a flash sale of these Brady's. So, and they came in a pack of 6. Now, normally at normal price, in a pack of 6, these Brady locks were going for $120. However, with the flash sale, I was able to get 6 for 12 bucks. And they're all keyed alike. So I do have more of them, all with the same bidding. So we're going to be taking one apart to see what the bidding is on the inside of this little sucker here. So let's get started. Put this to the side. I have another key right here that we can use. So when I took it out, there's a spring on the back here that is right here. This is the spring that lets it be, turn and then spring back. I took that out. As you can see, it still turns. I have never done this before, so this is going to be quite the adventure for both of us. And from what I've heard, there is a pin in the back that I have to hit. And I think I see it. So now here comes the fun part. Okay. Ah, I'm already losing pins. Oh, because all the... Yeah, so this is going to be a challenge now. Okay. Okay. Now that annoying part and embarrassment has been put in. Let's take a look at this. So this is a 6 pin, with the 7th pin being the thing that holds it in. And I believe that was this one right here. And I broke a spring, so I won't be able to put this one back together anytime soon. Okay, pins. These all relatively look the same height. All right, so these were all normal pins except for this one, which is a spool. It looks like, no, this is the end pin. So we'll put you right there. So that's one good thing. However, it's still embarrassing that a normal lock or standard pins again has embarrassed me. This must be the end spring. So I'm missing a spring. besides the one that I already broke. Is it still in there? Oh yeah, it's still in there. Sweet. Okay, yeah, you can stay in there. So now, let's take a look at these pins. Yeah, let's get all these up first. All right, so the back is standard. All right. Yeah, look at that small thing. Pin number 3 has been giving me grief. And then the last one, which is another small one. So yeah. So they're all standard pins. Why was it giving me such grief then? My goodness, feeling for these two was, oh. Alright, make that 2 springs that I have to replace. But yeah, so the reason why this one's been giving me such grief is this second pin right here. It's a 0 cut. So the way that you pick 0 cuts is that you don't pick them at all. You just go around them. But since the 3rd pin is so high, I kept on lifting it with the pick, so it would mess up my my setting, because the binding wire on this was like in the middle around here before I even touched these two. So, you know, I was able to get these three back here, but not this one or this one. And I think it's because this one kept on getting moved up. But yeah, once you actually line all these up within the this thing, they should all be flush. These all look the same size too, so that will make reassembly easier as well. I just need to replace the springs. But yeah. All right. Now I have something to work towards. Anyway, so that's me gutting a lock and breaking 2 springs, so I'm going to have to get some replacement parts. This is Wrecker Eve, telling you to have a good day and a good night.